Plastic. Imported. Measures: 17W x16D x14H. Lightweight and easy to carry. Features integrated toilet paper holder. Use with 8-gallon toilet waste bags for easy cleanup and no mess. Removable cover seals in odor. Top reviews from the United States. It saved us while having our septic and outgoing plumbing replaced. We don't camp, but if we did this would be a must. I purchased this unit because we knew that we would have several days without the use of any outgoing plumbing. In conjunction with the compostable bags, this was a lifesaver for the days that we could not use our toilets. It is very lightweight, easy to move around. The bags made cleanup a breeze. The unit is smaller and lower than a regular toilet. It worked fine for the 2 adults in this house, but it would be too low and small for my aged mother to utilize, for example. Overall, I think this is a very serviceable unit and feel comfortable recommending it to others.